forward to hearing your thoughts on this auspicious occasion.
Distinguished Chair of the ceremony, distinguished guest of honor, the esteemed Deputy Chief of Mission of the Embassy of India in Tokyo and good friend of mine, Mr. Madhusudan Ravindranji, our honorable guest from India, respected Mr. Tilak Raj Gambhirji, very respected, a great social worker of Indian community in Japan, Mr. Jagmohan Chandraniji, distinguished guest, देवियों और सज्जनों, मेरा नेपाली दाजुभाइ तथा दिदीबहिनीहरू, very good afternoon, namaskar and konnichiwa to you all. It is my distinct honor and pleasure to be present at this very colorful, memorable and historic ceremony on behalf of the Embassy of Nepal, on behalf of my Nepalese community, whose size is more than 190,000 in Japan. So on behalf of the Nepalese community, I wish to take this opportunity to express my sincere congratulations and huge appreciation to Sri Ram Mandir Trust, the trustee members, and Sri Jagannath Society in Japan for this wonderful ceremony, which I believe would be instrumental and important to unite, to give solidarity, unity, welfare to not only the Indian people in Japan, but also my fellow Nepalese brothers and sisters, and more importantly, to the Hindu community in Japan. I was so impressed by two important speeches this afternoon. To Gambhirji, the chair of the trustee, Mr. Gambhirji also, and our honorable guest who came all the way from India, Tilak Raj Gambhirji also. Both of them were saying they are great Ram Bhakta. I am also a Ram Bhakta, but I am not only a Ram Bhakta, I am also a Sita Bhakta. Because Sita Ma, Mother Sita was born in Nepal, in Janakpur in Nepal, and we gave our mother Sita, our sister Sita, to Bhagwan Ram in Ayodhya. So I am Sita Bhakta also. So if you say Jai Sri Ram, I follow you Jai Sri Ram, but I would say Jai Sita Ma also. Jai Shri Ram. So our relationship between India and Nepal, our relationship between friendly Indian people and the Nepalese people, it's an age-old relation. The relationship was started during Ram and Sita's wedding. The relationship was started between Ayodhya and Janakpur. The relationship now being flourished and expanding between Nepal and India. And now we are in Japan. Both Indian communities and Nepalese community, we have to work for, we have to be united, we have to work for the protection and promotion of our culture, our ancient culture. If you say Hindu culture, but I would say not only Hindu culture, it's a Hindu civilization. It's a Hindu civilization. So both Indian and Nepalese community in Japan, we have to work together for the protection and promotion of our Hindu culture, Hindu ancient civilization, our traditions, our rituals, our religion, our culture, our civilization, our festival like Jagannath Rath Yatra, in our holy books like Ramayana, Mahabharata and Gita always tell us all for the victory of good over evil, for the victory of truth over falsehood, for the victory of light over darkness, for the victory of life over death. That's why our holy books, our sages and saints always tell us, asatoma sadgamaya, tamasoma jyotirgamaya, mridurma amritam gamaya. So I congratulate all the organizers. I wouldn't say only organizer, but all the devotees who are gathered here today for their unity, for their solidarity, and for their dedication to make this wonderful ceremony successful. Not only successful, but also memorable, but also a historic one. Finally, because today is day for Sri Rama and Jai Shri Ram also, and today is day for Sri Jagannath also, I would say when everybody you know about our epic Ramayana, when Bhagwan Ramchandra made victory over Ravana in Sri Lanka, his younger brother Lakshmana was so impressed by seeing the prosperous Lanka. This morning, Sri Lankan ambassador was here. I wanted to sit before him. When Lakshman saw prosperous golden Lanka, then he said to his elder brother, Bhagwan Sri Ramchandra, let's live in Lanka, because it's golden Lanka, prosperous Lanka, rich Lanka. Our Ayodhya is poor, least developed, like dark everywhere in Ayodhya. But Bhagwan Ramchandra said to his younger brother Lakshmana, Api Swarnamaya Lanka, Name Lakshmana Rochate. Api Swarnamaya Lanka, Name Lakshmana Rochate. Janani Janmabhumisya, Swargadapi Gati. So I would call upon all Indian and Nepalese brothers and sisters. Yes, Japan is beautiful. Japan is prosperous. Japanese people are very friendly, warm and hospitable and humble. But we don't forget our mother and motherland, because Bhagavan Ramchandra has already said to us through Ramayana, Janani Janmabhumisya Swargadapi Garyasi. Mother and motherland are even greater than heaven. So let's, through our Sri Ram Mandir in Ibaraki, through our Sri Ram Mandir in Bando city of Ibaraki prefecture, through our Jagannath Rath Yatra, let's pray, let's worship, let's serve our motherland, our mother and motherland, because Bhagwan Ramchandra already said to us, and he is saying to us in every moment we live, Janani Janmabhumisya Swargadapi Garyasi. So with these few words of greetings, gratitude, goodwill and good wishes, I wish the great success of the ceremony today. Long live Indian and Nepalese community in Japan. Long live Hindu and Buddhist culture in the world. Long live peace, non-violence, compassion, peaceful coexistence, harmony and humanity in the world. I thank you all. Arigato, dhanyavad, namaskar.
Jai Shri Ram.